Hello everyone, hello guys, welcome back to yet another edition of my YouTube channel. Today I will be making meat pie but my own way, and please do pardon me, I'm a kind of under the weather. I might sound a little bit low, but don't worry, it's nothing to be worried about. I'm just under the weather. Okay, so first and foremost, I want to start. I want to make the filling I want to prepare first. So I have my pot already on the fire. I'll go in and pour in my veggie oil. And as you can see, the pot is already heated up before I pour in the oil. So I can go right ahead and add in my onions and my red pepper bell. And I have my carrots here. I'll be adding it. And here I have my potatoes, so I will be adding it so that they can all cook together. So I'll go right ahead and add in the spice I'll be needing. So I'll go ahead and add in some curry powder. That's enough. So I'll add in some black pepper, some paprika powder, and my salt to taste. Then I'll go ahead and add a little bit of water, just a little bit of the water. Give it a quick stir. So I'll cover it up and allow it to cook until the potato and the carrot is really tender. So, see that? So it's ready. Our potatoes and carrots is tender. I'm using this method because I already have a prepared grounded beef that I want to use. That's why I'm using this method. But if you have just the normal grounded beef, the fresh grounded beef, after a little bit of your oil, you add your onions. Then you can, after the onions, you can add in your grounded beef at that point, before the other ingredients like the carrots and the potatoes and whatever you have ingredients you want to use can come in. So you do it that way. But I'm using this method because I already have a prepared grounded beef that I want to use. So I'll stir it all together, then we are ready to go. Our fill is ready. So that is my filling for my meat pie. So I'm gonna turn off my heat at this point. set it aside and let it cool. As we are waiting for it to cool down, then we'll go ahead and prepare our dough. Okay guys, I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my dough for the meat pie. I have here 2 cups of flour. I have 2 cups there. A pinch of salt. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. So I'll go ahead and stir. Then here I have my 480 grams of sugar. So I'll go ahead and add in my tea tablespoon of butter. So I'll use my hand to mix. I'll go ahead and add in my egg. I'm using 1 egg for the 2 cups of flour. So I'll start adding my water bit by bit. Start adding my cold water bit by bit until I get what I want. The quantity of water I added, the little bit of water I added is already enough because we need it this way. We don't really need it soft or too soft. We don't need the dough to be too soft. let it sit for 5 minutes, then I'll be back. Okay guys, I have my surface and things I'll be needing to make my pie down. That should be enough. Not so much. So that is my dough. So I'm going to cut in 2 equal parts. Add more flour on our surface. So that it to be easier, that's why. Okay guys, so we are finished with the meat pie. So I'm just going to give it some designs to make it look more nice. This is actually for it to, apart from looking nice, to also help the meat pie to bake very well, both inside and outside. So guys, look at that. So I'll go ahead and add some egg for a shine. This will actually make it to shine after it finished baking, eh? So guys, look at that. So we're going to put it in the back oven for at about 180 grad. So guys, look at that. So we are baking at 180 grad 30 to 40 minutes. So after which we'll see. Here's our meat pie is ready. I baked it for 35 minutes. For 35 minutes. So, see that? You see that shine? That is what the egg does to it. You can see the differentiate the color. The way here is and here. So guys, let's. Alright guys, do have a wonderful weekend. Stay tuned till next time. Ciao ciao.